In today's video, I will show you how to buy TON on Binance and also send it on TONkeeper. I will show you step by step how to do this. Now, if today is the first time seeing my video, welcome to Deep Tutors. My name is John Bosco. I provide content about the financial market. If you like content like this, please feel free to hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification. So I'm going to go straight and show you how to do this. The first thing you need to do is just to come to trade, go to trade. Now, once you get to trade, you have to search for the trade you are looking for. In this case, we want to buy TON with our USDT. I'm taking all these things off. So I'll click on this search icon. You can see hamster USDT. Click on it. Then you have to type in the coin you're looking for. In this case, we're looking for TON. You click on the search and type in TON. Now, this is also how to buy any other thing you want to buy in the Binance trading app. So you click on TON USDT. You click on it there. Now, as you can see, I want to buy TON. Now, you can see buy and sell. We have to leave it at buy because we want to use our USDT to buy TON. Then limit. Limit means I want to set a particular price to buy it at. But in this case, I want to buy it immediately. I don't want to set a price. So I click on the limit. I select on market. Now, if I select market, what it means is that I want to buy immediately. I don't want to negotiate anything. I just want to buy at the market current price. Then you can actually see this line here. Now, this is where you actually select if you want to use all your USDT to buy it. Now, if you want to use 50%, you put it at middle, meaning that you want to use 50% of the USDT to buy the TON. But in this case, I want to use 100%. It's all up to you what you want to do. Now, you can manually impute the figure here. You can manually impute it right here. Let's say, for example, you want to buy 10, you can just put 10. Anything you want to do. But in this case, I want to use everything that I have to buy TON. So let me click on buy. Successful. As you can see, I have successfully purchased TON with my USDT. Now, the next thing to do now is to send it to TONkeeper. Now, what I will do is to click on wallet. I want to show you the TON that we just purchased. Then I click on spot. You see the TON. So this is the TON we just purchased right there. Let me show you. So this is the TON we just purchased, 6.74 TON. I'm going to go straight to my TONkeeper to copy my TON address so I can be able to send this TON directly to TONkeeper. So this is TONkeeper right here. As you can see, I have a few tokens here. So let me click on TON coin. By default, you'll be seeing TON coin. I'll click on TON coin. Then I will click on receive. Let me click on receive. Now, as you can see, I need to copy my address. I copy my address. Then I have to go back to Binance to be able to send my TON to TONkeeper. Let me go back to Binance. Now, this is Binance right here. I have to click on withdraw. Once I click on withdraw, I click on TON. This is what I'm withdrawing. Withdraw via crypto network. Send via email, phone number, or ID. Now, this means the second option means that if you are sending it to somebody that is using Binance, you can send it to that person through email, phone number, or user ID. But in this case, I want to send it to TONkeeper, so I have to click send via crypto network. I click on it. Once I click on it, I have to paste in my long address. You can see, let me paste in the address right there. Then the network is already by default TON. But is there any other network? At the moment, there is no other network you can actually send. It's only TON at the moment. So I have to paste in the memo. Now, this is so important. Let's say, for example, you want to send TON from Binance to Bybit. You have to put in the memo, or some other exchange might actually require this from you. But in this case, let's go back to TONkeeper to see if there is any memo. If there is no memo, we just have to leave it blank and go to the next thing. So let's go to TONkeeper. So if you come back to TONkeeper, you can see there is no memo here. So we don't need to bother about the memo. Let's go back to Binance. So in this memo option, we have to leave it blank. But if depending on the platform you are using to send it, if it is Telegram wallet or other crypto exchange, they might require this from you. It's important that you put it. Then we'll have to put the amount. Now this is where you manually put in the amount of TON you want to send. As you can see, the minimum you can send out is 0.65 TON, but in this case I want to click on max, meaning that I want to send all my TON to TONkeeper. So as you can see, everything is looking very okay for me. I click on withdraw. You can see you did not fill in memo. Please confirm that the receipt address does not need to fill memo, digital ID or Remax. So you need to confirm it. In this case, I have to click on submit. So this is so simple. I click on confirm. This is everything. This is the address, the amount, and the network fee, which is around 0.02 TON, which is very less than a penny. So I click on confirm. I have to go to my Google Authenticator to copy this security code so I can verify this transaction. I just copied my Google Authenticator. Let me paste it. It's going right away. As you can see, withdrawal processing 6.74 TON. So I have to give it a few minutes so that my TON will reflect on my TONkeeper. So I'm going to be waiting until my TON reflect to my TONkeeper. You can see the TON successfully arrive on my TONkeeper. Let's click on it. You can see received. This is from Binance, 6.72 TON after the fee was removed. So this is just how to buy TON and send it over to TONkeeper. Very simple thing. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification. Thank you.